Hey, what's up and welcome to BizCode Builder. In this video, we're going to cover some of the basics to help you get started and to save you some time. Now, one of the things that makes BizCode Builder so easy to use is its drag and drop system. And what that simply means is all of the elements that you see here on the page can simply be clicked, dragged, and dropped into a new position. Anytime you're repositioning elements on the page, you'll see the blue line there that signifies where you're going to be dropping that element. If there's ever a case that you feel as though you've made a mistake, you can always take a step back by finding the back arrow in the top right corner or removing all your changes by clicking discard. Now that we're on a fresh screen, one thing I want to talk about is allowing your elements a chance to breathe. And what that simply means is creating space in between your elements. This helps out with user experience. So when your visitors on your page, they can visually see items better and read text a whole lot better. So to easily create space when it comes to BizCode, above and below your sections, you can drag up and down and create space. Also, when it comes to your elements themselves, right above you'll find a blue marker that you can create space for any of your elements above. You'll find a blue marker on the side of your columns to create margins. And you'll also be able to change the width of your elements themselves by finding the blue back and forth blue arrow and by just dragging in and out. Now, another thing that you're able to do is for sections is add columns. So if you were to click on a column here at the top, it lets you know how many columns are in that section. So as you can see here in this one, we only have one column. If we were to go down and click over this area, we have 5 columns. But we would like to add columns. Just simply click and add in the extra columns. When columns are made, as we talked about before, you can change your margins and your spacing before adding anything into the page or into your section. Now, when it comes to adding in any type of elements, on the left side here, you have all the elements that you can add in. So you have your heading text if you want to add that in. You can add buttons, add images, and it's simply just dragging in and adding in the elements. Now, all the elements can be edited and adjusted at your will. So if we're editing the entire section or block, we can change the background by clicking block in the top left corner. We can remove the background, change the background color. We can also even add shape dividers, which you'll see down here at the bottom. As we edit this, there's a lot of different customization items that you can add for the sections, for the certain elements themselves, for the columns. You can do a deeper dive into actually customizing all your elements and sections on the screen. So let's talk about how you navigate to other pages. Here in the top, here on the left side, we're going to click Pages, and we can navigate to various different pages of our website. If we ever need to add a new page, we can simply click here at the top and choose Page, and it'll add in a brand new page for us. And even with that one, you're also able to choose from a library of pre-built pages that you might want to use for your website. Also, over on the left side, we're going to talk about global styling. So with global styling, you can change your text styling, you can add fonts, custom fonts, your color palette, so you want to change this green colors and things like that. Website layout, if you like to go full width or box form, you can definitely change your layout there. And all those things can be edited directly from your global styling area. If you like to focus on your funnels, here where you'll find a lot of your funnels and things that you have built and attached to your website. Here were your website settings. Here where you'll be able to adjust, of course, your domain settings, your name of your website, the language of your time. You can add other applications. Here will be applications, of course, like Facebook, any outside email service you might want to use, or you can also connect webhooks. And normally this is used with Zapier. You can add custom code if you're familiar with coding. Change up your page SEO to be found better in search engines. And of course, your file manager, where you'll find all your documents, files, and images that you actually upload into your website. You can also get a quick preview of your website by clicking the All Ball. This allows you to also see the various responsive designs that you'll also have for your website. Now, if you also ever like to edit your website from any of these other responsive designs, here in the top left corner, you can edit your website from the tablet view. You could also edit your website from the mobile view as well. And there you have it. We really hope that you enjoy the BizCo Builder. We hope to see you build some creative and beautiful pages. And if you need help, reach out to us at bizcohelp.com.